we are going to review about the habitats because Mika needs to review for next week exam, I think. Okay. So what are the habitats that you learned in school?
The grasslands, the ocean, Antarctica, and not the Antarctica. Antarctica and the Antarctica are the same. And then there's the desert.
Okay. So what did you learn about
South
the grass? What did you learn about the grass?
The grasslands. I learned that the grasslands can be named the grasslands, the African savanna, and the prairies. And I learned that in Antarctica, animals need a lot of blubber. Animals need blubber and fat to keep them warm. And some animals don't have blubber, I think. And they need fur. And only some plants can live in the desert.
Okay.
I mean in the Antarctica.
Okay.
And the desert, for the desert, it's really sandy. It's really hot. It barely rains. And there are different animals there. And one of their plants I know is cacti, and it absorbs water. And then there's the ocean. The ocean is very rich with animals. It doesn't mean like money rich. It means like a lot of population. And then one animal that I think some people think it's a plant, but it's actually not a plant. It's an animal. It's called coral. It lives in coral reefs, and it lives in the ocean. And there are many types of fish, but just the fish that you see, catfish, I think it lives in the sunlight zone, or other types of fish you might see in the sunlight zone. There's not just those. There are deep. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna say it.
Right.
Because we review what we've already learned, and we didn't learn that yet.
Okay.
Only I learned that from the Magic School Bus.
Okay.
And
so that means you know more than what you have learned in school. You've already researched other stuff.
When the different zones goes deeper.
Yes.
That part I learned it from the Magic School Bus and a video.
Okay, so what's next?
Let me count. So we did the desert, we did the ocean, we did the prairie, and we did Antarctica. The South Pole. I don't know if that's a habitat, but I don't know if that's part of Antarctica. Actually, no, it's not part of Antarctica, but I think we can talk about it.
Okay.
I don't remember if we learned that or not. I'm just gonna say it anyways in this video. So basically, the South Pole has polar bears instead of penguins, and those animals are split up. Even though they both live in the cold, they're split up. The penguins in the North Pole and the polar bears are in the south.
Okay.
And polar bears eat fish. There's actually, I think, fish or not, but I think fish can survive in Antarctica, and that's and they can even survive with ice covering them, I think.
Okay. Next.
Oh, the fish was part of the ocean. But, farts, fish. I mean, fish.
Okay, next.
And,
What's
yeah,
next?
there's another savanna.
Okay.
The Australian savanna. That one has kangaroos,
Yes.
which hop, and it has plants like it has like trees and that's the African savanna. It starts with a B, but I think it's Bombay or something. The African savanna, it looks like an upside down tree, but it's not an upside down tree.
Okay.
But that's not part of Australian savanna.
Okay. Next.
Next is the rainforest. So there are many animals like armadillos, sloths, jaguars, I think. And it has many bugs too. And also it has many bugs, it has many plants, and it has many animals like a howler monkey. And next is the woods, where wolves live, I think. Forest is a dry forest, not the rainforest. And for the rainforest, I forgot, it can get hot there. It's the tropical rainforest. And the most famous one, I think, is in Brazil, Rio, and also Costa Rica. And now moving on to the woods. And also trees live there, and like dark oak, I think. And wolves, or that's in the forest. Lives here in the forest, or lives in the woods.
Woods.
Oh, the woods?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
And also, the forest has some bears in it.
That's right.
And rivers
Right.
with fish.
Yes.
And I think it has deer, but that's like Canada or something. In Canada, it's like a forest, a snowy forest.
Yes. So what's next?
The snowy forest, actually, I think the forest or the woods or the snowy forest is where deer lives. And the moose lives up over on the snowy forest. I'm just going to say snowy forest. And
Is that it?
wait, I forgot something about the ocean.
Okay, what did you forget?
Something that I love, it's either not real or it's real, but I think it's real because I saw videos of people having it.
Yeah.
It's an axolotl or an axolotl. I don't know, but I call them axolotls.
What's axolotls?
It's basically an animal that's pink.
Really?
It has things on its face, like little lines. It's so cute.
I don't even know that.
I think it can go on land.
Okay.
And in the ocean.
So.
But mostly in the ocean.
So that's it?
And it hunts fish.
Did you cover all the habitats now?
Well, I did a little more.
Okay, so you've researched a little more than what you need to do, which is very good. So can I test you with the spelling now so that we can cover the whole thing?
Okay.
So I'm gonna check the. Actually, he's pretty good in spelling. Spelling is his. I mean.
Yeah, I think we started when I was 3.
Yeah, we started doing spelling when he was 3. It's his favorite game in the morning.
I did it with
everything that's Mika's doing. It's all about grammar, phonics, mathematics, because he's in a STEAM class, in a gifted program.
Another gifted program, just like last year.
Okay, so spellings. You spell lightning.
Ooh.
Ooh, light.
Lightning.
Correct. Spell habitat.
Habitat.
Spell animals.
Animals.
Correct. Spell planted.
Planted.
Spell rainforest.
Rainforest.
Spell phonics.
Are there actually more than one spelling to spell phonics? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay.
So, which one do I spell?
Well, just spell what you know. Phonics.
How about, let's do the one that I learned in school.
Okay.
That phonic.
Next.
With an
S? Yes, correct.
Wait, did you pull this apart?
No, I did not. This came in your folder.
Yeah.
So, he's always good with all his handwriting. Wait, hold on. His handwriting. He's 7-year-old. And I think you'll do good in your exam.
And I started, like, my mind started with, like, things, not baby things, when I was 3.
Yeah.
So, and I started talking when I was 1 year old, I think.
It was a long weekend. Started Friday afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and today's Tuesday. It's literally 5 days off from school. So tomorrow.
Literally.
Yeah,
literally.
Spell literally.
Literally.
Good job.
I didn't say L and then N and Y.
Yeah.
And I meant L and Y.
Yeah. High five. Good job. I love you.
Okay.
Say bye, guys.
Is the review over? Because can I go now? Can I go to the bathroom now?
No. Yeah. After that, you have to go do your reading log. Okay.
Okay.
There's one more page.
Can I go to the bathroom now?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.